Okay, let's give you guys some practice. So solve this inequality here and draw the number line to represent the solution. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, first step is to try and draw a graph of this, and then you get a sense of what's going on. So here, so roughly, to sketch this roughly, you could just do this. Well, you could try and plot a graph of y equals this thing here. Okay, so if you put positive 9 into this bubble here, then the whole thing would be 0. So this here will have one root being 9 here, and then if you have another one being positive 2, so here you know you've got a graph looking like this. Okay, so roughly you can just sketch it like this, or you could multiply out the whole thing, and then that will give you an extra piece of information. That will give you the intercept. So for example, so from here you could multiply the whole thing out. It will be x squared minus 9x minus 2x, and then plus 18. Okay, and then this then becomes x squared minus 11x plus 18. You see, if you multiply this out here, you will get this. Now this gives you an extra piece of information on our graph. It tells you that the intercept is 18, so our graph will look like this. And then it has a gradient of negative 11, so the gradient is quite steep. But we could if we wanted to abandon this and just look at this here. Just from here you can jump to, well, you're only interested in the two roots here. So looking at this here, you want hang on, let me tidy this up. So given this original thing here, okay, given this original thing here, you want the whole thing here to be less than 0. Well, looking at this here, everything in this region here will be less than 0. So you can jump to your number line here. Okay, so zeros here. By the way, this part here, you don't actually need to do it, but just do it, just so that you get a sense of what's going on. Okay. Well, anyway, to answer this this inequality here, you can just jump. Well, you know that this bit here is positive 2 because of this thing here. Hang on, positive. Well, this thing here would be positive 2. Okay, so it would be this 2 here, and this here would be 9. So you want the region inside here, meaning you want, because it's strictly less than, okay, because it's strictly less than 0, you cannot include the 2, and you cannot include the 9. Okay, so your diagram will look like this. Okay, and you can use this to write this down. X has to be bigger, strictly bigger than 2, and strictly less than 9. Okay, so this here would be your answer. Okay.